Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing from Amazon. Now, I was sent an email from a company and they wanted me to show this on my channel for them, and I agreed. So this is sent to me from a company called TiGilt, and I will leave the link to this in my description box. And they wanted me to share this with all of y'all, and this is a diamond painting storage book. It's a portfolio. And I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic off. But this is 30 sheets. So you can put 60 diamond paintings in here. And it does fit. And it says right on here, 30 pockets. Fits a 12 by 16, which is a 30 by 40 or smaller diamond paintings. It has these 2 snaps, so that's pretty nice, because I think the ones that I actually have, they don't have any kind of snap or any kind of closure, so that's pretty nice. And it just snaps right off, and as you can hear, it's pretty tight. Now this has also got a handle. It's got 2 rivets, and you can carry this, so you don't have to carry it in your arms like this. And then once you shut it, you can carry it and you ain't got to worry about anything falling out. There's a place up here to where you can put your name, or you can put, you know, whatever this is. And these are little stickers, and you can peel them off. And as you can see, it's got a very pretty pink flamingo on the front. It's plain on the back. And let's open it up. It's very thick plastic. It's not flimsy. And like I said, it's got 30 sheets, and the pockets, let's see if they open. Yeah, they do open from the top. And like I said, you can put a 30 by 40 diamond painting in here, or smaller. It's got, let me find the middle here. These are metal, which are the rivets that the handle. And it is, let me bring y'all down just a little and I'll bring this up. The pages are weaved in there, as you can see. And then there's the 2 rivets. So the pages are in there quite well. And like I said, there's 30, is it 30 sheets? There's 30 pockets. Because I was thinking it was 60 sheets. Yeah, it says 60 sheets on the description. And let's see, the dimensions of the whole book is 17 by 33 inches, no, 17.33 inches tall by 13 inches wide. Okay, that's for the book. The sleeves are 12 by 16. And you know what? Let me pause, and I'm going to go grab a 30 by 40 diamond painting, and we'll just stick one in here just to make sure. I'll be right back. Okay, let me pull you back up. And by the way, I did count these. There are only 30 sheets, but you can put 60 diamond paintings in here. So I did grab a 30 by 40. And we will just slide him in here. And it does fit perfectly. Right in he went. And you could probably fit, I don't know, one size up if you cut the edges off. So as long as it's a 12 by 16, I guess. Let me see. I don't even know if I have a... I bet I don't have a tape measure handy. I don't. So, but like I said, a 30 by 40 will fit in here. And also, y'all, this is $36.99 on Amazon. And I will leave the link in my description box. But they have given me an exclusive code. And if you use the code, which is only good until the end of the month, on the 30th of June, this code will no longer be good after the 30th of June. You can get this for $18.49, okay? Now, you can go to Amazon right now and get this portfolio, and they have a 40% coupon. Well, that's only going to get, you're only going to get 40% off, and it's still going to cost you $23, okay? Around about $23 and some change. But if you use my code, you can get the portfolio for $18.49. And like I said, that will be good until June the 30th. And I want to thank them for doing that, because they didn't have to do that. But I will leave the link and the code in my description box. That way you will have it, and you can get this same portfolio for $18.49 plus tax. Okay? So, I hope you enjoy this video. Run, don't walk, and get this portfolio. It is so pretty, and if you like pink flamingos, you're going to love this one. It even has a texture to it. It's not a slick portfolio. The picture, it's got like a little texture to it, but I really like the fact that it has the snaps, which are very, very sturdy. And I really like the fact that it has a handle, so that if I want to carry this somewhere, I can. And y'all know how heavy these get once they start getting full of diamond paintings. So I really like this. So I want to thank the company for sending this to me, and that's about all I got, y'all. So please go check them out. Again, I will leave all the info in my description box, and I will see all of y'all later. Do all the YouTube-y things, like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.